We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello dear friends, myself is Roshni Parikh and today we are going to discuss about the series connection of inductors from the electromagnetic induction chapter. Now, suppose 2 coils are there and both coils are magnetically coupled and required to be connected in a series. So there are 2 possibilities in the series connection. In a one connection, the connection is like that the fluxes produced by both the coils are helps each other, which is called a series adding connection, or you can say cumulative connection. And in a other possibility, the connection is like that the fluxes produced by both the coils are oppose each other, which is called a series opposition connection, or you can say differential connection. Now today we are going to discuss in a brief about both the connection. Now take a first case, that is the series adding connection. See here 2 coils are there which is labeled as a coil A and coil B. Coil A having a N1 number of turn and coil B having a N2 number of turn. Now both the coils are connected in a series such a way that the fluxes produced by both the coils are helps each other. Now when the fluxes produced by both the coils are helps each other, at that time the self-induced EMF and the mutually induced EMF, direction of the self-induced EMF and the mutually induced EMF are the same. Now see here, suppose when the current is flowing in a coil A, at that time EMF is induced itself in a coil A, that is called a self-induced EMF, and that self-induced EMF is given by self-induced EMF in coil A, which is given by ES1, that is equal to minus L1 di by dt. Self-induced EMF in a coil A when a current I is flowing through the coil A, which is given by the equation ES1, that is equal to minus L1 di by dt as per the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Now same way, mutually induced EMF in a coil A due to the current flowing in a coil B and the flux linkage or a flux linkage with the coil A due to the coil B. So that is given by mutually induced EMF in coil A, which is given by EM1 is equal to minus M di by dt, where M that is the mutual inductance, here L that is the self inductance of coil A. Same way, when a current is flowing through the coil B, EMF is induced in a coil B, that is known as the self-induced EMF, and that self-induced EMF is given by self-induced EMF in coil B, which is given by ES2 is equal to minus L2 di by dt, where L2 that is the self-inductance of coil B, here L1 that is the self-inductance of coil A. Similarly, mutually induced EMF in coil B due to the current flowing in a coil A and flux linkage with the coil B, so that is given by EM2, that is equal to minus M di by dt. When the fluxes are additive, means the direction of current in both the coils are same, then the flux produced by both the coils are helps each other. At that time the direction of the self-induced EMF and the mutual induced EMF are the same. So all the minus signs are there. So total induced EMF in this series connection is given by algebraic sum of all the induced EMF. So ES1 plus EM1 plus ES2 plus EM2. So total induced EMF, that is equal to minus L1 di by dt minus M di by dt minus L2 di by dt and minus M di by dt. Now take the minus di by dt as a common, so you will get L1 plus L2 plus M, that is the 2M di by dt. So you can say induced EMF is equal to minus L equivalent di by dt, where L equivalent, that is equal to L1 plus L2 plus 2M. That is for the series connection of two coils, when both the coils are in such a way that fluxes produced by both the coils are helps each other. That is for the cumulative connection of the coils in a series connection. Now take another case. Both the coils are connected in such a way that fluxes produced by both the coils are oppose each other. That is called a series opposition connection, or you can say differentially connection. Then what will be the equation of the equivalent inductance for the differential connection of the series connection? Now see here, only difference is that coil A having a N1 numbers of turn, coil B that is also having a N2 numbers of turn, and same current is flowing through the coil A and coil B. Only difference is that in a direction of the current in both the coils are oppose each other. See here, current is flowing like that from T1 to T2, wherever in a coil B current is flowing from T4 to T3. So fluxes are produced in both the coils are such a way that both fluxes are oppose each other. So that only difference is that direction of the self-induced EMF and mutually induced EMF are different. Direction of the mutually induced EMF are opposite to the direction of the self-induced EMF. Means only plus sign is here instead of the minus sign. So self-induced EMF in coil 1, coil A, ES1, that is equal to minus L1 di by dt. Same way, mutually induced EMF in coil A, EM1, that is the plus M di by dt. As flux are opposite to each other, so mutual inductance, that is in the opposite direction of the self inductance. So plus sign is here, that is the different than the your series adding connection. Only difference is that rather all the things are same. So self induced EMF, similarly self induced EMF in coil B, that is the ES2 is equal to minus L2 di by dt. Same way, mutually induced EMF in coil B, which is given by EM2, that is equal to plus M di by dt. So total induced EMF, that is equal to ES1 plus EM1 plus ES2 plus EM2, means algebraic sum of the all the induced EMF. So minus L1 di by dt plus M di by dt minus L2 di by dt minus plus M di by dt. So take the minus di by dt as a common. So L1 minus is a common, plus L2, and minus is a common, so plus minus 2m di by dt. That is the total induced EMF. So where L equivalent, that is equal to L1 plus L2 minus 2m. It is for the differential connection. So only difference is that when the two coils are connected in a series adding connection, at that time the equivalent inductance is given by L1 plus L2 plus 2m. Wherever when the coils are connected in series such a way that fluxes are opposite to each other, means it is called a differentially connection. At that time the equivalent induction will be a L1 plus L2 minus 2m. Hope you understood. Thank you.